wise organs that help people. And non-living things what do not breathe, move. The respiratory system allows us to breathe. And we have springs, animals, plants, flowers and trees. Fourth we have autumn. Clouds and the mountains are two trees and rocks. This is a river. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Lakshmi and I started my school name is USS Smart School. My project name is Purchase Grass. We have made a green paper. This is a rabbit. Rabbit eat grass. This is a snake. Snake eat ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization. There are big stone, small stone, coal and cotton. So let me show you how it works. So dirty water, when dirty water comes from factory, so now it will get filtered. So
Layers of the earth. Earth has 4 layers. First is inner core, second outer core, then
part of plant. Roots. So see what happens, sun is blowing. And then left side to show the stars. So the stars I use steering lights. You can see when I turn on the switch of stars, steering lights, so stars are glowing. My school name is Universal Smart School. Moon Star House. Day. Sun.
Students. So, I use in it thermocol, cardboard, paper and colors. So why I make this project? I make this project for growing knowledge.
And I show you how it's working. So when I put water in this, so it's come here. That is, I made my project on function of kidney. Our kidney remove waste and extra fluid from your body. Our kidney are to being shaped. It is organs that